One of the most common things you'll do at Stockopedia is sanity check your stock ideas and portfolio holdings against our powerful array of financial measures. You can search for any share using the search box. This brings up our stock reports, which are packed with financial intelligence. One of the first things you'll eyeball are the StockRanks. We rank every share for their quality, value, and momentum from 0 to 100 across an in-depth array of financial measures. You can also use the composite StockRank, which is a combined measure of all three. You can also see the trading data and the classifications across sector, risk rating, size group, and style, which gives you an instant fix on what that share is all about. The key actions at the top allow you to add the share to lists, print the view, notes, and alerts. Going further down, you'll see the chart, which charts not only the share price and moving average, but the stock rank over time. We also provide key statistics on growth, value, quality, and momentum, as well as these powerful traffic lights, which rank each of those measures, for example, the PE ratio, against the industry and the market as a whole. Thick and green in the metric shows that it ranks highly, whereas thin and red shows that it ranks poorly. It doesn't stop there. In the shareholder activity widget, you will see the recent dealings of institutions, directors, and the community as a whole, with links to click through for further detail. In the stock screens widget, you'll see some of our guru screens that stock qualifies for at the moment amongst our library of 65 screens. As you scroll down the page, you can eyeball the red flags based on professor scores of health trend, bankruptcy risk, and earnings manipulation risk. If you're a cautious investor, staying out of more distressed zone shares is a wise idea. The financial summary summarizes all the key 6 years of historic and 2 years of forecast financial metrics from the accounts, including measures of profitability, cash flow, dividends, and balance sheet items. This is a powerful way to get to know a share quickly over time. But it doesn't stop there. In the Analyst Forecasts area, we publish the consensus forecasts that the Citi and Wall Street community are publishing on every share for their earnings per share, dividends per share, and more. We also publish the recommendation from buy to sell, as well as the trend in the financial forecast for earnings over time. Up and to the right is good. The profile summary section gives you all the key information about that company, including what it does, who the directors are, where the office is, and when the company reports. You'll also find any of the indices it's a member of, as well as any other listing information. News and company events, as well as the ability to compare with peers, do complete the view.